Hi everyone, welcome to the High Education Video Classroom, and today we will learn lesson 100. Okay, he says that. Saadət yaxşımızda. Mana bu videoda yazılıb, biz ən dəstəbdə 101 dərsdən başlap ağantı, axırını. Endi mana biz aldıdan elib kelib birinci qismdagi mana 100 dərs kapdıq asasən bizdən şu bütün yeni ufum İngiliz tili bir neçə tügəylab qaldı. Yəni bir neçə o'tirdik dərslərimizdə. Əmsə bugünkü şu ən axırqı 100 dərsini bir ko'rsak. Xo'sh, əmsə bugünkü cümlə şəklimiz yana oxşashlarni deməsən. He says that, she says that, they say that. Endi bu asaslı nimərisanlar biz oldingi darsimizda o'tdik biqindi cümlə. Okay, deməkçi to'ldiruvchi biqindi cümlə. Hadi to'ldiruvchi biqindi cümləligimiz hamda shu bir cümlə to'ldiruvchi rolni o'ynab kelyapti bu yerda. Masalan, men savollarga javob berib beringlar, men bola I'm tired debdi. Shunami? So what does he say? U nim dedi? U dediki he says that he's tired. U dediki qanaqda u herib ketibdi. He says that he's tired. And I'm ill. What does she say? No, what does she think? She thinks that she's ill. O qanaqda ağrıb qaldım deb manaqda o'ylabdi. She think that she's ill. I'm thirsty. What does he know? You know, he knows he's thirsty. And the margin yana birga hamda bu qaysi cümlə bo'ldirsanlar o'zlashtiruvchi cümlə. Okay. Qistiruvchi cümlə o'zlashtiruvchi cümlə bo'la oladi. Masalan, he knows, u biladi-ki, o qanaqa ketibdi, hisob ketibdi. And he says that he feels ill. Okay, hamda nima deysanlar? She says that and then she wants a haircut. Bizniki ma'risimdagi qarsanlar, bu shunday u deydi-ki, u og'rib qopti, u deydi-ki, nima, u chechini yasish kerak ekan. And they say that. Hamda mishariki, egisi uchinchasi ko'plik bo'lsa, asl shakliga they say that they are thirsty. And they say that what? They have a headache. Uniki besh og'ribdi. Uni ikkinchi o'rsanlar, he says that he wants an X-ray. Okay, ma teksti bor hamda u redaga tushishi lozim ekan. She says that she's cold. U deydi-ki, u qanaqda to'ng'ab ketibdi. And he says that he has got a cold. U to'ng'ab ketibdi, shunami? And he says that he has an earache. Hamda uni quli qarib qopdi. He has got a cold. U zukandab qopdi. She's cold. And she has got a cold bilan cold o'xshamaydi. Birisi cold degan suhbat to'ng'ab ketmaydi. A cold degan ham demaydi ekan, zukamdab qolmoq. Zukamdamoq. Okay, she has found her pen. And the bunny, she says that she has found her pen. And the o'zlashtiruvchi jumlalarni ma'lum biqindi jumla that boshlab keldi-ku. Mishal igis birdek bo'lish kerak. And they must remain here. Okay, they say that they must remain here. He remembers you. And those eslab turdi, unutib qolmaydi. Buning uchun he says that he remembers you. Okay, and the uning yuzniki. Sizni eslab turganligini aytdi. She doesn't speak English. U ingliz so'zlamaydi ekan. And u deydi-ki, u ingliz so'zlamaydiganligini. She says that she doesn't speak English. Bu yerda nima desanlar, she kelgan gap. And they are washing the dishes. And they say that they are washing the dishes. They are washing the dishes. So what is the matter with him? Amsa men javob berib qo'yganlar bolalar. Makanda feel tired deb turibdi. Uni nima bo'lib tursanlar? Okay. He says that he feels tired. Mushton o'xshash. U deydi-ki, u qanday erib ketibdi. So what do they want? Ular nimaga ehtiyojli ekan? Okay, they say that they need some money. Okay, they need some money. Yak, they want some money. So what does she want? Okay, and the only nimaga ehtiyojli ekan, what does she want? Okay, and she says that she wants what? A license. She wants a license. So what is the matter with her? Okay. She says that she is cold. O to'ngab ketibdi, shunami? So, what do they need? Okay, they say that they need a house. And what they can, they want a house. Bu bir uy qanaken lazım ken. Bo'ldi. Bugungi darsimiz mushagicha olsun. Bu oldingi darslarni birlashtirib yana bir qayta takrorlab etsanglar, unumi texim yaxshi bo'ldi. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.